Hi everybody, I'm Wayne Lambert, the owner of and lead consultant with Lambert. This particular video is about our universal truth, our single organising principle, which is to analyse, plan, execute and sustain. This particular video is about the second phase of planning. Once you assign Lambert to help you on your corporate wellness journey, we ensure that your company's wellness plan is the central document that helps to keep everybody in your workplace on track. The wellness plan will become the foundation for all staff meetings, and as such, everything your company does will link back to the plan. The wellness plan will become a living, breathing document, similar to sheet music, and therefore your organisation will collectively sing the same song and refer back to the plan on a regular basis. Reports will be sent to the most senior levels of your organisation. So how do we plan for the wellness initiative? Operational planning will increase the efficiency and effectiveness of your programme, and the data that is gathered from the analysis phase, phase 1, this is used to develop smart, measurable, attainable, realistic and time-framed goals. Both the needs of your company and the interests of your employees are taken into account when planning your corporate wellness program. Following are a few of the important aspects that we focus on during the planning phase of your program. First of all, we plan how to gain and maintain senior level support, which hopefully by this phase we would have gained anyway, but it's about maintaining that. We assist you with your wellness vision, your wellness mission statements, your wellness values and your wellness goals. We also assist you with promoting healthy lifestyles. This is via benefits, company policies and procedures. And we assist you to maintain strategic communication throughout your whole organisation. We also plan how to create and support cohesive wellness teams, which is a vital component. We assist you with assigning roles and responsibilities within that team. We assist you to create a plan based on the needs analysis. We assist you in developing resources to support your program, and we assist you with your budget proposal. We also plan how to create a supportive environment, which again is very, very important. This is for your old and your new employees, the out-processing employees that leave and new employees with the orientation. We also plan how to collect sustainable data. We help you to plan how to administer appropriate interventions for your organisation, i.e. plan how we will manage your programme. Once the above planning has been established, Lambert then considers your potential programme delivery, the channels that how we deliver, your potential programme delivery channels. However, you must be aware that different work environments have different delivery channels. However, the specific delivery channels we plan to work with are similar to individual employees, wellness groups, teams, units and or departments, and neighbourhoods and or communities. Lambert's robust wellness programs allow your whole workforce more flexibility in picking and choosing the right programs that are most relevant to them, and programs that will work best for them in the long run for sustainable success. In other words, our objective is to get companies to invest in programs that keep the majority of the population healthy, programs that address potential health risks, and if required, programs that provide appropriate treatment options for managing chronic health conditions. At Lambert, we focus on modifying the environment. And this is so that in order to increase participation, something that falters on some programs. And collectively, these environmental modifications can create a positive health promoting culture within any organisation. The next important point I need to stress is that Lambert ensures key personnel and policies and procedures are in place for sustainability purposes. So now it's time to decide, is now the right time for you to commence your very own corporate wellness program and allow us to take the reins and guide you on your corporate wellness journey? If so, book your strategy call now by emailing info@lambertwellbeing.com. We look forward to helping you soon.